The future of enterprise computing just arrived, and it's going to change everything. Hi, I'm Paul Chapman, IBM Global Power Modernisation Technical Lead, and today marks a historic moment for enterprise infrastructure. IBM Power11 isn't just another server upgrade, it's the most resilient server in IBM Power history, delivering 6 nines, yes, 6 nines of uptime with 0 planned downtime for maintenance. Imagine running your most critical workloads with less than 1 minute ransomware threat detection through IBM Power Cyber Vault. Up to 55% better per core performance compared to Power 9, with built-in acceleration ready for your AI transformation. Twice the performance per watt versus comparable x86 servers. For the first time ever, we're launching high-end, mid-range and enterprise servers simultaneously, plus IBM Power Virtual Server in the cloud, all available on July the 25th, 2025. This means your banking, healthcare, retail and government workloads can now operate with unprecedented resilience while embracing AI capabilities that were previously impossible. Don't miss our exclusive Power11 announcement webinar happening today. Register now using the link in the description to join me and the IBM Power team as we dive deeper into these game-changing capabilities. Your enterprise's AI future starts with Power11. See you at the webinar.